We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. See and you'll be amazed. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.